We're gonna learn Beethoven Symphony No. 1 Scherzo movement. This is a very bright sound movement. It's in 1. Make sure the half note is not too long. So there's a tiny break in between the half note to the quarter note to keep the energy going. It's a very fast movement, but we're gonna play in 3 first. Try about 150, so it's a slower pace. 1, 2. There's a lot of sforzandos. It's in the middle of the measure. It's the second note, so make sure you accent the sforzando note, which is offbeat. Play the rest is resetting the bow. For instance, here, reset the bow on the string, so you have a very crisp sound. Continue to the last 2 lines. Now we're gonna play the real speed, which is about 100 per measure. The main thing is about keep the momentum going and keep the energy going for this piece. It's very exciting.